money, I love bags, I love cars, turbo stack. I want Louis double V, I want Prada for my feet. I love curtains made of silk, wrap my body like some milk.
Hey boo, what's up? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a collective haul. This is some stuff that I purchased over the past couple of weeks that I want to share with you guys. I guess you can say it's luxury because it's mostly luxury pieces with a few low luxury like Zara and some boutiques. So I just want to share everything that I purchased with you guys, and I'm not gonna keep on rambling. We're just gonna get straight on into this video. So the first item I purchased a couple of months ago is a card case. You guys, I hate having bulky wallets because one, I don't carry cash, and it just don't make sense for me to have a wallet in my bag. I like something very small and compact. So I decided to get me a card case. At first I was gonna get a YSL one because there was this pretty nude color they had, but I didn't get a chance to get there. But I had went to the Gucci store one day and I seen this red card case, and red is really not a color that I like to wear, but for some reason this one was like, yes, you should buy it. So this is the card case that I purchased, and I just love it. It's so compact. If I'm going outside to the store, I just grab my card case, and I don't have to carry no bags with me or anything. Or if I am carrying my bag, it's very light and it saves space in my bag. I do not like bulky wallets, so I was so happy when I purchased the card case. I think this is $400 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was $400 for the card case. So another item that I recently purchased is a Balenciaga scarf, and this is the scarf. I am obsessed with this. Like, the pink color and the black looks beautiful. I love wearing it on this side, but you can also flip it around if you wanted to, and then on this side it will say in black writing, but then you have the pink all over. I paid $6.95 I believe for this scarf. I just wanted a nice scarf for the winter, and black is one of my favorite colors, and then why not have it with a pop of pink in it. And I just love this scarf. I'm gonna show you guys on the side like me wearing this scarf with an outfit and how you could wear it. But yeah, this is one of my favorites. Like, you could wear it like this if you wanted to, or you can also just put it like this and just, you know, something cute and sleek. I just wanted a nice scarf for the winter, so this is the one that I got. So the next items that I have is from a black owned brand called Broken Land, from Brooklyn, New York. I love her stuff. I can link everything in the description box on her Instagram page, her website, and I just love these items. And you're gonna call me crazy, but listen, I buy what I like. So you've probably seen this in one of my previous vlogs, but this headband is beautiful. It's a denim headband, and it says Broken Land right here in gold. Then you have the light denim, medium, and then your dark denim. This headband was $80, but the reason why I really purchased this headband was because I also got the skirt to match. Now the skirt comes in different colors. You can have it with the blue at the bottom and then dark at the top. We have the both of them in the dark, or both in the medium, and it also comes both in the light denim with the different variations. Now this skirt was $250, and I don't know what I'm going to wear with this skirt yet, but y'all, I am in love with this. Like, it's great quality. Like, look at the material. If you guys can see, is great material. It's very heavy, so it's really worth the money, and you just have to style it up really nice, and I just love it. I'm going to show you guys right here on the screen with me wearing it with an outfit, like something together, but I cannot wait to put this one on. I'll probably wear it when it gets a little bit warmer outside, but yeah. And since the tags still on it, and then you can see like the gold details right here as well. So for this next item, you guys, I wanted this item so bad. Like, you guys don't understand how long I wanted this item, and I was finally able to get one. Now this is an expensive item. This costs $19.80, so with tax it came out to like over $2,000. You guys, so it's in this Gucci box. And it came in a dust bag. Are you guys ready to see this? This bag is everything. This is the Gucci Globetrotter bag with the bamboo handle. Like, you guys, you see this? So the way you open it, you push down this key part right here. It does come with like a key. On the inside you have like all the Gucci card information, and then you have the straps, and then on the inside is this beautiful burgundy reddish color, like a blood red. I wanted this bag for so long, and I was finally able to purchase it, and I cannot wait to wear it. I don't know how I'm going to wear this, if I'm just going to have it in my, hold it in my hand, or if I'm going to do the straps. But you guys, this bag is everything. Like, out of all my purchases, this is my favorite one. So for these next items, as you can see, I am wearing one of them right now. It is this green dress with the long sleeves, and I also have it in black, and it has these black buttons in the front. Now, I was on Instagram and I saw someone wearing this green dress, and I was like, I have to have that dress, but they never tagged where they got it from. So all of a sudden now I started getting those sponsored posts of what to buy of these boutiques, and I came across this boutique called Micah's. Now at first I didn't know that it was in China, so I was like, okay, let me purchase. It looks good. It looks like the dress that I seen the girl wearing. So I bought this one in the green and the black. It was $40 each, but it took a very long time to come. It took about 2.5 to 3 weeks to arrive, and that's when I found out that it was from China. But honestly speaking, it is worth the wait because the quality is amazing. Like, you can tell, like, very stretchy, and I just love the dress. So I'm wearing the green now, and then I have the black. They also have it in different colors now. You can have pink, brown. I think I'm gonna get the pink one. But yeah, you guys, I honestly love this dress, and I was so skeptical about it because it was coming from China, but the quality is amazing. I'm going to link the boutique in the description box if you guys want to check it out. I'm telling you guys, it's great quality, and I would not mind buying from that boutique again. So my last few pieces are from Zara. I love Zara, even though I can only wear like the tops or maybe some leggings, because your girl is thick and I cannot fit Zara bottoms. But I've been in a blazer frenzy. Like, I don't know what it is about blazers, but lately all I want to do is rock a blazer. So I have this beautiful green blazer from Zara, and it has these gold buttons at the sleeves and also on the blazer itself. It is so beautiful and I love it. It fits perfectly, very fitted. And I also love the padded shoulders. That's what I love about the Zara blazers. Like, you could get that Balmain feel with their blazers, but for very low cost, like very affordable. So that's what I love the most about these Zara blazers. And I got this in a size large, and I also got it in a brown color. You guys probably seen this one already in one of my previous videos, but the buttons are different. These buttons have the gold and the black in them, and I just think the blazers is so beautiful. Like, you could dress them up, down, and if you don't have a blazer, I suggest you get one. Like this one, the shoulder is not so much padded as the green one, but it's still a nice blazer. And I think these blazers was like $80 each, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they're $79.99 each, I believe. I have to double check, and I'll put everything in the description box. So the last item that I purchased is another shirt from Zara, and it has these straps that once you button it up, you can do like a nice peplum. I think that's what they call, like the peplum type things, shirts, when you tie it and then the bottom like flares out. It is short sleeve and it has this cuff with a button, and this is in a size extra large. And this is a very cute shirt. I honestly love this shirt. I paid $50 for it, and I'm going to wear this like when it starts to get nicer outside. But yeah, I love this shirt from Zara. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's luxury haul. It was a very short video because this is some of the stuff that I had purchased in the past couple of weeks. But my birthday is next month, okay? Pisces season is coming, so your girl has to buy some new items. So be on the lookout for another luxury haul coming soon. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. Comment down below some video suggestions you guys would like to see on my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, but you made it all the way to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it's a vibe over here. And I'll see you guys in my next video.